Hi, I'm Thomas Howe with McGrew Real Estate, and we're here for our November market snapshot. I'm going to give you a little update on what's happening in the Lawrence real estate market. We're here in lovely downtown Lawrence in South Park, one of the oldest parks in Lawrence, and just a great fall day. Got the nice colors behind me, and I think you're going to be appreciative of the information that I give you today. We're going into a time of year when there's far fewer sales that take place, but people do still buy and sell houses. So as we've been looking at the market all year, what we're looking at is a nice little uptick from last year. Not substantial, we're staying pretty consistent. Currently, we have 638 active residential listings. The listings which are for sale, the average listed price of those properties is $240,000. And for the active listings right now, it's 109 days on market. If we look at our solds, what we see is that our average sold price is about $184,000, and that those solds took place in about 70 days. So really, I think what this is telling us is you need to sharpen your pencil. If you want to get your property sold, you need to make sure that it's priced correctly. So if we look at our number of sales year to date, we're looking at 1,428. Last year's number at this time was 1,383. So we're up about 60 properties. That's a nice place to be. And I think that as we've referenced that this year's market has been very strong and very consistent. Our numbers really from 2013 to 2014 have been pretty similar. Right now, our absorption rate is at 5 months, almost exactly 5 months. And that's down a little bit from where it was last time I gave you this report. Last time it was about 5.2. So we're down just a little bit. What that talks to is the fact that sellers are getting their houses sold, not extraordinarily fast, but certainly it is still a seller's market, and that's a good thing. Recently, I've had a seller who's come to me, and they said, we've been working with somebody else, and we're trying to get this property sold. What do we do? And I said, take a look at value, take a look at what your price is, and we adjusted their pricing position, and within 15 days, we had a contract for sale, which will close in the next month. One number which I find really remarkable is our list to sale price ratio. This year we are at 97.2%. Same day last year we were at 97.2%, a very consistent market. We're up just a tick, as I've said, and I'm very pleased about where we are. It does continue to show strength in the Lawrence real estate market, and that's a great place for us to be. Be sure to share this market information. If you found value and you know others who might enjoy it, please share the YouTube video. Thanks so much. For more great market information, visit lawrencerealestateinfo.com.